Hello, Memphis. This is Blake, and I am here once again in the beautiful Raleigh demonstration kitchen to bring another recipe straight to you from one of the books in our collection. Today we're doing this book, Near and Far. Recipes inspired by home and travel. And this is by Heidi Swanson. You can pick this up at any branch across the city. You can either get it at Central, where I got this one, or you can have it sent to your location if your location doesn't happen to have the book. So today I'm going to do a recipe from this book that is called Miso Oat Porridge. Today we're going to do a recipe called Red Lentil Hummus. All hummus is bean dip. So if you like dipping things in beans, you like hummus and you didn't even know it. I want to thank the people at Methodist North for helping sponsor this video and make it happen. And I also want to thank the Memphis Friends of the Library. They do so much across the entire city at all of our different branches that we couldn't do what we do without them. So without any further ado, let's dive into the recipe. So there we have miso oat porridge. So Memphis, there you have it, red lentil hummus. It's delicious. I encourage you to seek out this book near and far, or any one of thousands of recipe books we have at all of our 18 branches across the city, as well as several recipes you may find online through our website at www.memphislibrary.org. I want to thank again Methodist North and the Memphis Friends of the Library, and you, the viewer, thank you for choosing to start here with the Memphis Public Library.